Okay guys, this is the combo, which is right there. The green one is already on. The reason why I have this sign back up, because the sign has, is generic, and the arrow points to the window, because basically the exit's not, is the window, because if you're trying to jump off of the window, you might get hurt, or get injured. Make sure to call KO injury attorneys. So yeah. Yeah. So the exit is wrong. The exit should be that way. When, yeah, the exit might be in the closet. So, yeah. So that's that. And then we're going to do emergency mode. Here we go. Here it is in emergency mode. As you can see, it's doing a great job on this. All of a sudden, when there's the emergency, the lights should be coming on. And, yeah. Basically, this one does not even have, this exit sign does not even have self-testing. It has standard tests. Like this. Alright. The cool features about this combo is the switch. It's red and it's green. Switch it to red. Every exit sign combo has red lettering, but only just green. Yeah. And the test button again. And yeah. Now the battery. So this is the battery right here. The battery is disconnected. As you can see, if the battery is already disconnected, you forgot to plug in the battery, but like doing this like this. None. See? Now if the battery is disconnected, the light is green. See that? If the battery is disconnected, look what happens. The lights should not be on. Yeah, if the battery is disconnected, the lights are not coming on. But yeah, let's go ahead and plug this in. Next, let's plug this in. Alright. Now the emergency lights. Let's take a look at the inside of this thing. Put this to emergency mode. Oh, okay. Put you down. Okay, guys, this is a good unit. This is the combo right here. Unfortunately, what it does is this. Here's the, now we do the LED lamp heads on this. So take them out. Is this. Take the lens out. As you can see, these are the lenses. Or, no, these are the reflectors. These, well, they reflect them, I think, here's the LEDs, but hit the test button, again, the lights come on. The lights. So, as you can see, there are 8 LEDs. So, these are 12 LEDs. The wires and stuff. Wires in there? Yep. Alright, next, just snap this on. So there's this one. Take it out. The wires. I don't like them. Alright. Let's get on the inside of this unit now. Oops. Let me put that lens back again. Alright, now you can snap this in. There you go. Now we got on the lights. As you can see, the lights, if it's unplugged. See, now the lights are unplugged. Now you can hit the test button. The lights, one light only works. But if you don't have the light disconnected, you put the light back in, because that's what my girlfriend just said. Okay, there you go. Then, so now in the transformer. Now, see, these have the transformer. It goes the loop here. Yeah, the lights. So yeah. Now, that's it. In here, you can adjust them. Left to right, doing that. I'm not gonna do that right now. So, yeah. Now let's put this back where it belongs, okay? And then we're done. Alright. Yep, now let's do this. Let's put this back where it belongs. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.